Ready for an adventure, Captain? Use the joystick to fly your plane. Here we go. Find it. I would like to visit the Argentinian people. Can you help me find one? Countries and famous places. Use the joystick to fly your plane. Niagara Falls is in Canada and the United States. The Great Wall is the longest structure. World music. Use the joystick to... The Taj Mahal. Germany. Nigeria. Countries and famous places. Use the joystick to fly your plane. Then press the Enter